In the chemical processing and related industries, highly corrosive and toxic process fluids require careful and dependable application of pumping solutions. Plant output requirements demand rugged design features that ensure extended uptime. And because corrosion and wear are prevalent in chemical processing, advanced materials and maintenance-friendly features are essential. For these reasons, the process industry's leading enterprises continually turn to the Flowserve Durco Mark III ANSI process pump. Conforming to ASME B73.1 standards, the Flowserve Durco Mark III delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Since introducing the world's first chemical processing pump more than 3/4 of a century ago, Flowserve has pioneered the industry's most important milestones, including the first back pull-out design, which was a forerunner to the ANSI standard, development of groundbreaking alloys such as Duramet 20 and CD4M, the first fully lined fluoropolymer pump, and the introduction of SealSentry seal chambers, which revolutionized the pumping industry's focus on mechanical seal reliability. With an unparalleled list of design features aimed at reducing life cycle costs, today's Mark III pump is unmatched in engineering sophistication, design simplicity, and operating reliability. Design parameters. The Flowserve Durco Mark III is available in 36 sizes, from Group 1 low-flow high-head designs to Group 4 high-capacity models. The Mark III handles flows to 20,000 gallons per minute, heads to 700 feet, temperatures to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and working pressures to 450 psi. Back pull-out design. The Flowserve Durco Mark III features a true back pull-out design. The casing remains in line, bolted to the suction and discharge piping. The remainder of the pump can be removed for repair or maintenance without breaking piping connections. Most importantly, all critical settings, including impeller clearance, can be easily made before the pump is reinstalled, ensuring rapid return of the pump to service. Impeller. Among the most important innovations in ANSI process pumps, the Mark III's reverse vane impeller is the only impeller design that offers repeatable pump performance throughout the entire life of the pump. Low predictable seal chamber pressures and thrust loads resulting from the back vane pumping action and balance holes result in ideal operating conditions for mechanical seals and pump bearings. Because the critical running clearance is set off the rear cover and not the casing, several advantages are realized. Impeller and mechanical seal settings can be made in the shop, on the bench, instead of under adverse field conditions. The lowest possible seal chamber pressures and thrust loads are reestablished after every impeller adjustment throughout the life of the pump. Also, the pump's original hydraulic performance is reestablished after every impeller reset for optimum performance and lowest possible energy consumption. With the reverse vane impeller, the rear cover is the active wear surface. The flat rear cover surface can easily be machined or replaced if needed. This simply isn't an option with competing designs where the complex and more expensive casing serves as the wear surface. Finally, the reverse vane impeller offers the lowest required MPSH of any standard process pump. Rear cover plate. Besides serving as the critical running clearance and wear surface, the rear cover plate also houses the mechanical seal chamber. It's here that Flowserve innovation is focused on reducing the chance of mechanical seal failure, statistically the #1 contributor to pump failure and process downtime. The standard Mark III pump features an innovative, oversized, tapered bore seal chamber, the SealSentry type FML. Through the use of flow modifiers, the FML seal chamber maximizes mechanical seal life by creating an environment free of erosive solids. Flow modifiers redirect flow from circumferential to axial, minimizing erosive wear near the seal faces and providing a constant flush, which reduces heat buildup. And because the seal chamber is tapered, vapor bubbles cannot form near the seal faces, preventing heat checking and premature failure. The taper design is also self-draining for safe disassembly during maintenance. The flushing action of the Type FML seal chamber is so effective that expensive flush plans such as Plan 11, 32, 52, and 53 can often be eliminated. This not only reduces initial pump cost, but can also eliminate costly plant water usage. FlowServe recognizes that not every application or mechanical seal can be accommodated by a single seal chamber design. That's why 4 additional Seal Sentry designs are available. FMS small gland bolt design with flow modifiers, FMI integral gland bolt design with flow modifiers, CBL cylindrical bore large gland bolt design, CBS cylindrical bore small gland bolt design. The innovative wet end features that deliver optimum hydraulics, predictable performance, and ideal operating conditions for mechanical seals are only half the story with the FlowServe Durco Mark III. Its rugged power end design mitigates the risk of mechanical failure under even the harshest operating conditions. Shaft. An oversized solid shaft is standard with the Mark III. Its ample size minimizes deflection due to radial loads, decreasing vibration, and optimizing seal conditions. A comparison of L3 over D4 deflection ratios with a major competitor illustrates the robustness of the Mark III design with a 43% to 252% greater stiffness. Bearing housing. Every Mark III pump comes equipped with the Mark IIIA power end, featuring oversized bearings and the industry's most innovative external impeller adjustment mechanism. Double-row angular contact outboard bearings and single-row deep groove inboard bearings offer high load handling ratings and extended power end life. A comparison of bearing life measurements with a major competitor reveals a 43% advantage for the inboard bearing and a 61% advantage for the outboard bearing on Group 2 pumps. For users who need additional assurance and reliability, FlowServe offers the ANSI 3A Power End Upgrade, which comes standard with a lifetime warranty. This advanced assembly features InPro VBXX non-contact vapor block bearing isolators to keep lubricants in and contaminants out. Micrometer impeller adjustment. Accurate impeller setting is crucial to optimum process pump performance. Because the reverse vane impeller's critical running clearance is between the impeller and the rear cover, impeller and mechanical seal settings can be established without installing the pump into its casing in the field. The result can literally mean hours of maintenance savings when returning the pump to service. The outboard bearing carrier is designed with a precision threaded micrometer adjustment. To set the impeller, the bearing carrier is turned counterclockwise until the impeller lightly touches the rear cover. Then, by turning the bearing carrier clockwise and using the visual indicators that are cast into the bearing carrier, the running clearance can be established in less than 20 seconds. Tightening the set screws ensures the setting is held during operation. The result is quick and easy restoration of pump performance to original specification. Complementary products. In addition to the standard ANSI design, the Mark III pump is available in numerous configurations for special process services. Specialty pumps include the Mark III Unitized Self-Primer, the Mark III Low Flow, the Mark III Recessed Impeller, the Mark III Sealmatic, the Mark III Inline, the Guardian Magnetic Drive, and the CPX ISO Standard Process Pump. Benefit Summary. The FlowServe Durco Mark III ANSI process pump is built for reliability and low total cost of ownership. Its benefits are many, including renewable high-efficiency performance over the life of the pump with a reverse vane impeller, low predictable seal chamber pressures that are re-established after every impeller setting, an optimized environment for mechanical seal operation with the award-winning Seal Sentry seal chamber, robust shaft and bearing designs that minimize shaft deflection and extend mechanical seal and bearing life, and the industry's only true back pull-out design that allows accurate impeller setting on the bench in less than 20 seconds. Learn more about the Flowserve Durco Mark III process pump and related products and services at www.flowserve.com.